Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is October 7th, 2019, and I'm out doing some lawn care work here. Right now, I'm fin to pick up some mulch. I think I'll get about 4 yards of mulch to put out. I may have to come back and get some more, but I don't know. You know, I informed the customer that, you know, I may have to come back to get some more mulch. But well, I hope I don't have to come back, but I don't know. It's I'm gonna put out a lot of mulch. They want it all around the house and around the trees and all. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm gonna see about getting that. And right now I'm at dirt cheap mulch, as you can see right here. Yeah, I'm at yeah, you see the building over there? That's dirt cheap mulch. That's where I'm at right now. So you can see around out here, got all of the dirt. You see all the dirt over there, and then you can see over there where they have the mulch. We got cedar mulch, red mulch, and then the black mulch, and they also have brown mulch. And you know, that's well, that's what I'm finna go in here and pick up. And also, you know, they have some grass and rocks. If you can see, let me see, right over here, you can get some of those stones and all over there to dress up a property for, you know, doing some landscaping work. You know, that's what I'm you know, just sharing with y'all on some of the lawn care events that I go on and some of the things that I work on. Now I don't deliver no. I'm not gonna pick up no stones and all. They have to pay for that. Have that delivered. That stuff is heavy. But anyway, y'all, I'm just sharing this a little bit. Let me run in here and pay for this this mulch and head back out and see if I can get over there and get started on this here job. Oh God, here my phone is ringing now. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Oh boy. Here I go again. Hold on a minute. Hello, thanks for calling. We got line here. How can I help you? Hello?
This is an important message. Do not hang up the phone. Your Google business listing is at risk of displaying incorrectly. We tried numerous times to contact you by telephone so we can check the status of your listing.
This is another scam, y'all. Oh God, you ever get these calls about Google listing and I don't even want it, you know, that's...
Customers to think you're no longer open for business. Press 1 now to check the status of your Google listing.
Okay.
If you're the business owner, press 1 now.
All
Press
right.
2 to be removed from this list.
Alright. Watch this, y'all. Let's see what's going on.
Thank you so much for holding. I'm Dave Johnson. I'm here to assist you with your Google listing today. Am I speaking to Curtis?
Yeah, this Curtis.
How are you doing today, Mr. Frazier?
I'm doing alright.
I'm very happy to hear that, Mr. Frazier. Actually, the reason we contacted today is because in our system it shows that the Google listing for your business is not being claimed or verified. Actually, the Google listing so doesn't have your address. It is on purpose.
Right.
Beg your pardon?
Yeah, I set it up that way.
Okay, and then hours of operation is 7 to 5 until Friday, close on weekends for number 832-527.
Right, yes.
All right, so that was just a verification of your Google listing, sir. Everything is correct. Thank you for your time. Have a good rest of the day, sir.
Okay then.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Man, I get those calls all the time. You know, anything, I don't know, yeah. Anyway, let me get out here and get this mulch so I can get my job done. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm finna get 4 yards of this black mulch over here. Guy went over to get the big tractor to come and load me up with this 4 yards of mulch. Let me move the wheel block. Machine there. Wow, that's a lot of mulch. That's scary. Need me to pull up? That's 4 yards. You got the big scoop on there. Okay. Okay, that's how my trailer looked with 4 yards of black mulch loaded on there. Pretty good load there. So yeah, definitely the trailer can tote that. So let me see how it's let's see what it feels like driving with 4 yards of this heavy mulch. Okay, stay tuned. Okay everyone, I'm finna take off now. I have 4 yards of mulch on here, and I can definitely feel that load back there. That's some weight Yeah, I can definitely feel that load back there. Okay, everyone, I got the mulch installed. Let's take a look at it. I put some mulch around the tree there, and we'll look over here. I put some mulch around that tree and around that big tree and all the way around the house. As you can see, I put, yeah, we got mulch all the way around the house. And those trees, as you can see that right there. So completed that. Took a little time, but I got it. And there's another tree in the back, and I put some mulch around it. Now I'm finna take off. I may go and do another one if there's enough time. But I was glad to complete that one. You see the trailer's all empty, and I had 4 yards of mulch on that trailer, so I installed 4 yards of mulch. Okay, y'all, I'm finna to take off. Hope you enjoy the video when I get it posted. Gotta go now. Bye.